Yeah, you see, this is what I was explaining for food. So zebras will generally feed at the top, and then the blue wildebeest, you see their head being right at the bottom.
Here, but usually it's not old. Coba lagi guys.
So the net zero certificate, we are at level 2 in terms of the green building. So we then awarded this by the Green Building Council. And in 2023, we were then nominated for award in the Architectural Festival in Singapore. And then we got the second position in terms of the school, which first position was taken by a school in China, which they got the first position. then this is the local award in terms of the architectural award in Limpopo.
So what does level 2 mean?
Are they going up or down?
What does it mean?
That one is the best.
So no,
Oh, is it?
you can. You need to go up
Yeah.
to level 5. So in level 5, which means we would not have used the bricks. We would have used more green stuff only that are not really having any, and even we didn't transport from far. So if you look at our building, because we wanted, in the old school, we were using solars that for heating the water, and most of the time kids were showering with cold water. And we then thought we need to investigate in places like Portugal and places like other places where it doesn't really get hot like where we are. How are they heating their water?
No.
And we then import the geyser.
Why?
To us, because meaning for doing M on the people, you can hear sound, but very far, but you can hear with somebody who already is open to do it. If you are there, you can hear the class, you can hear the music. Already is open to do it. If you are there, you can hear the class, you can hear the music. You know that sound.
Now they want to be part of content.
But it's going to be my kids are open with the on
There's some more people there.
kuliwa.
Education. Why ungafaka amanzi amaningi and prefer to add more?
Kanti unjani wena?
Funa ngenzeni? Ngikoqoze.
Welkom, Clarence Carter. Mr. Boloi.
luck has come your way.
So yeah, no, I
Just
just
to get pictures now.
yeah, no, just a very relaxed head of blue wildebeest. And
I see the blue.
yeah, I know. People always when we say blue wildebeest, people are looking for this blue color, but it's just to differentiate between the two species. In the grassland, you find something called black wildebeest, the one with the on our 5-franc coin. The animal change, is it still the
Now
same?
they've changed it. Now there's a whale there.
Yeah, the
Is it
old,
a whale or a donkey?
Whatever.
if before they put that sea or the ocean animal, it used to be the black wildebeest, the one with the white tail and the horns.
Some bluish.
The horns were tilting to the
But you need
like tilting forward. Yes, some people say they see the bluish on the tail and on the coloration. But also, what is very interesting about this head is that there is one that doesn't look like others.
It's a brown one.
The red hartebeest. So some there.
No, it's little tail.
So some very funny, very unusual to really find one red wildebeest really finding comfort with the blue wildebeest, but it's not surprising.
I see the phone.
Normally you find herbivores being together, but I've also realized that most of the family members of this guy, the red wildebeest, were eaten by the predators. So you would find comfort amongst the blue wildebeest because too many eyes are just simply meaning safety numbers. So sometimes if you're just by yourself, you will be attacked. And one of the learner challenged me and said, hey, how about, do you think they will mate? That will be very interesting to really, but normally wild animals.
Hey, you know your story. Zebras are close by, they're friends.
Yeah, you see, this is what I was explaining. Yeah, exactly what I was explaining. And also, they don't really, even though both of them are herbivores, but they don't really compete for the same food or the same resource of food. So zebras will generally feed at the top, and then the blue wildebeest, you see their head being right at the bottom. They feed at the soft grass there, right at the bottom there. So that is why you see that. So with the zebras, they always say if they want to see that you are a very bad manager of a reserve, if they see a thin zebra, you are fired, because the zebra should be fresh like this all year round. And then with that mane, unlike the one of a horse, the zebra mane is always upright. Oh, they just love, they just love chasing each other and having fun. Show something that they didn't like. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Johannes can tell you. He has done a story of termites. He's doing a study of termites. So do you eat them?
Eating them.
Do you eat termites?
Yeah, sometimes we do enjoy
When you eat stock.
eating stock. Yeah, not to brag, but as Lapalala, we are very proud that we are one of the private reserves that are playing a very vital role when it comes to the conservation of rhinoceros from the early 80s, whereby we were conserving them. And as you know, they have got the problems of poaching.
For it,
But
delivered one. Took your word, already delivered one.
Yeah, I told you that I can 5 out of 5. So one at least. Then I owe you 4. But that part we are out. That one is very difficult.
o'clock.
So this tattoo. Crocs and this tattoo.
Yeah, but I'm no longer seeing him. I don't know what happened. About what? 1.5 meters about. But I said, hey, when you passed it during the day, was the tree like this, or you used the main road?
No, in the morning it was like this.
Oh.
But there were fresh footprints.
Yeah, I suspect they are somewhere here.
Come on, show thyself.
yazi iphila udolele kanjani wesibeke uzoyikhuluma ngale kwami
him as a first chair. So you will recall in 1981, it was not an infrastructure. So it was a near the river where it's a camping tented camp.
yeah
And then it was the school at that time, but it was not called a wilderness school registered with the social development as an NPO. 85, that's when we pick up those.
bese kuke bese uzabe
Yes. 85 years. I was born in 83.